Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a public server in Roblox. First, open the Roblox game you wish to play. Look for the Servers tab, usually found on the game's main page. This tab displays a list of available public servers. You can then browse through these options to find one that suits your preferences. It's a straightforward process to jump into a game with other players. Once you're on the game's main page, locate and click the Servers tab. Here, you'll see a list of public servers, often showing how many players are currently active in each. Simply scroll through the list and choose a server that looks appealing. After making your selection, click the Join button and you'll be transported directly into the game with other players. It's that simple. To enhance your public server experience, consider a few tips. If you prefer a less crowded game, look for servers with fewer players. Many games also allow you to see if your friends are already in a specific server, making it easy to join them. Some games even offer filters to help you find servers based on specific criteria. These small steps can greatly improve your gameplay. Sometimes you might encounter issues like no servers appearing. If this happens, try refreshing the server list or restarting the Roblox application. Always ensure your internet connection is stable, as a poor connection can prevent you from joining. Remember, a smooth experience often starts with good preparation. Also, for some great deals and that awesome sock link, check out the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.